Assalamu alaikum. Happy Saviors Day, family. Let us begin with prayer. We ask that at this time, if you can hold your place and please stand for prayer. To begin prayer, we will also have our Imam of the Nation of Islam. He will deliver this afternoon's prayer in Arabic, and I will follow up with the English translation.
Our heads and assume the position of prayer. Assalamu alaikum. Attention prayer. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. الحمد لله رب العالمين. الرحمن الرحيم مالك يوم الدين إياك نعبد وإياك نستعين اهدنا صراط المستقيم صراط الذين أنعمت عليهم غير المغضوب عليهم ولا الضالين آمين.
In the name of Allah, the Beneficent, the Merciful. All praise is due to Allah, the Lord of the worlds, the Beneficent, the Merciful, Master of the Day of Judgment in which we now live. Thee alone do we worship, and thine aid do we seek. O Allah, guide us on the right path, the path of those upon whom thou hast bestowed thy favors, and not the path of those whom thy wrath is brought down, nor of those who go astray after they have heard thy teaching. Ameen. Please be seated.